Welcome to the top foreign channel. Start earning $3 repeatedly just by clicking watch. If you're someone who watches a lot of online videos or video advertisements daily, chances are you're losing money without even realizing it. But here's the good news, you can start earning up to $20 per day or more by simply turning on your phone or computer and visiting our website. No prior knowledge or experience is required, and there's no need for any credit card or payment. Our approach is completely free and accessible worldwide, so if you're not in the US, there's nothing to worry about. I'll provide you with 3 websites and apps that can help you maximize your earnings, allowing you to have multiple sources of revenue running simultaneously. To make the most of this opportunity, make sure you watch the entire video without pausing. By learning how to use all 3 websites, following my instructions, and examining the samples I provide, you can finally start making decent money online. It has the potential to change your life. Now let's dive into the video. In this video, I will show you the first website where you can easily earn money by watching videos or video advertisements. Simply click play, watch the video, and earn money without any prior knowledge or expertise. Throughout the video, I'll introduce a total of 3 websites, accompanied by numerous real-life examples. Make sure you stick with me until the end to learn about all 3. It's crucial to follow every instruction I provide in the video to avoid any mistakes. I'll demonstrate the process so you can see exactly how it's done before you try it yourself. To maximize your earnings in the shortest possible time, it's essential to utilize all 3 of these websites. You'll have the opportunity to work online for your favorite brands and earn real money effortlessly. The first step involves watching a video. You can keep track of the time you spend watching advertisements, and you'll get paid and rewarded daily based on your viewing duration. Furthermore, if you take a few moments to answer some simple questions after watching the video ads, you can earn additional bonus cash. I'll guide you through each step in detail, ensuring you complete this short survey and earn at least 50 cents up to $2 for each video you watch. Here's an extra tip. If you refer a friend, you'll receive an additional $1 payment from them. This acts as an extra bonus revenue stream provided by the website. Additionally, you can download offers from your favorite brands. Once again, make sure you watch the entire video for a comprehensive explanation of everything. With this website, you can start cashing out your earnings once you've accumulated over $10. The great thing is that you can receive real money and cash out within just 1 day. In its first 12 months, this website paid out over $632,000 in cash to its users, and the rewards they offer. It's worth noting that their website is relatively new, and I haven't come across anyone else discussing it. As you can see, getting paid to watch video ads and complete online surveys is incredibly easy. They give you 4 payment options to choose from, including PayPal, bank transfer, gift card, or contribution. The best part is that they are entirely free and can be found on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. So pay close attention to this. AdWallet is a free application. You can start using this app right away after downloading it for free. All you need to sign up for this opportunity is a mobile phone and an email account. Here's a special tip for you. Use the promo code FAQ during the account creation process, and you'll earn an extra $1 for free. Now let's navigate through the Google Play Store together. Make sure you search for and download the correct app called AdWallet, which has this logo. Once again, the download is free and it's accessible worldwide. Whenever you log into your AdWallet account on your phone, you can review your balance and the amount of money you've made using the app. By watching the new videos and advertisements that are displayed, you can earn money online. Each video you watch can earn you up to $5. For example, right now, you have 3 new videos waiting for you. After watching the advertisements, you can withdraw your earnings. Once you reach $10, you can cash out your money in 4 different ways on their website. Before we dive deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it so far. If you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now let's move on to the second website, bucksinside.com. On this platform, you can earn money online by viewing advertisements, and you'll be rewarded every 10 seconds. As you can see, you are eligible for payment every 10 seconds. All you need to do is browse through several advertisers' websites, which is quick and easy. You can cash out your funds within 24 hours and start receiving your payment. The great thing about this website is that you can start withdrawing your funds once you reach a minimum of $2. It's a low threshold that's easy to reach. As you can see, simply viewing the advertisement on this page will earn you money. It's a straightforward way for anyone to make money on this website. Again, the minimum payment is $2. They offer support for multiple currencies, and you have various payment methods to choose from when receiving payment from this website. There are numerous accessible payment methods such as Payza, AdCash, Gold Money, PayPal, Perfect Money, Payeer, Skrill, Bitcoin, Neteller, and more. Here are some additional advertisements that you can watch. By clicking on these ads, you'll watch simple videos and continue to earn money. Clicking on a particular advertisement will redirect you to a page where you need to stay for 30 seconds. After closing the website within those 30 seconds, you will be credited with the corresponding payment. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish. For example, when you click on the following advertisement, you'll be taken to the next website and need to remain there for an additional 30 seconds. It's important to follow the correct procedure if you want to get paid. Just a quick reminder that you don't need to do anything extra, no clicking or signing up required. Simply visit the website, browse around, and spend no more than 30 seconds there to earn money. If you wish to register for this website, click the register option and proceed to the designated page. You'll need to provide your email address, username, and select the currency in which you want to receive payment. Additionally, you'll need to choose your preferred mode of payment, as they offer a variety of options. Enter your birth year and then make the necessary selections. Don't forget to click Yes to confirm that you have read, understood, and accepted the terms of service. Occasionally, they provide additional opportunities to earn extra money. For example, you can create a free account by clicking this button after completing the sign-up process. And that's it. If you enjoy similar content, feel free to check out my other videos and show your support by smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.